Good morning and welcome aboard. Got a few more people popping in here. Appreciate you being here. Saul's going to be joining us shortly. He's your trade along host, 25-year veteran of the trading pits in Chicago. He's trading based on a price action trading methodology that can be taught to you. You first start out with a trading platform. You get yourself set up with charts, order entry. We can help you get set up if you would like. Hey, Song, you all set up with our subscription? I think you might be. Just let me know back in chat. I'll send out the opportunity for everybody to be part of this service.
Good morning, everyone. Can everybody hear me all right? Let's give you our levels for this morning. Our pivot this morning is 45.17. 45.17. Resistance above at 25, 33, 40, 47, 54. Support below at 09, 45 even, 92, 82, and 74. Pivot 17, support 09, 45 even, 44.92, 88, 82, sorry, 82 and then 74, upside 25, 33, 40, 47, 54. All right. Welcome some of the new folks that are here. We are trading mini S&Ps. We're looking for opportunity to scalp the market based on the level we just gave out. Price action opportunities that might occur. Combination of both of those gives us our setups for today. And we like to average maybe about 4 to 5 setups a day. And we're also focused more on morning hours to give us those opportunities. Feel that the morning hours just good bang for our money, and the dynamics work better for the methodology we offer. And we are scalping the market here. We're looking for those ebbs and flows to take advantage of those ebbs and flows that occur. Because we don't believe markets go straight up or straight down. And the market opens up here, and we're just kind of hanging. It's the one day after unemployment, which typically is slow. We shall see what that brings today. Obviously, yesterday we had the Labor Day holiday in the United States, so markets were closed, and very light trade that occurred yesterday. Just the day open, it was open for like 20 minutes or something. Our business. Now with electronic trading, they just feel that they have to open up all the time. We're just kind of bouncing around here. Just kind of staying at a little bit of a range. You can see if you look at the chat, I missed the level. You can see the chat. Levels are in the chat. Yeah, right. We're just kind of bouncing around the pivot here. We're going nowhere fast. See if there's any numbers coming out this morning. Factory orders coming out here at 9 o'clock at the smallish number. We'll see what that brings. Lack of U.S. home sales has pushed up home prices to the highest level since October, according to real estate brokerage Redfin, as homeowners don't want to give up their relatively low mortgage rates. One of those reasons for the big year-to-year price increases. Prices came down rapidly at this time last year, with rising mortgage rates sidelining buyers. The inventory shortage is causing competition for desirable homes, meaning with the median home sales climbing 5% year to year during the 4 weeks ending August 27th. Miami, Florida saw the most significant increases in home prices, 50 more among the 50 more most populous metropolitan areas. Amazing, right? Totally kind of counterintuitive with interest rates where they are and what it was supposed to do, right? All right. We're just kind of floating back here. You can see our blue band and our green band kind of layer in on top of each other here, but they're sidelining like that. Very tough to get you excited about any kind of little trade. Very important to be a little patient here at the market. We don't. We have to wait for an opportunity to trade. It's not. We don't like to just jump in for the sake of jumping in. So patience is important in waiting for opportunities. Usually the Monday after unemployment is typically slow. We're drifting down a little bit, a little support around the 9 area. Market slowly dripping down here a little bit. I'm looking at the 9 area for a little bit of support. All right, coming down here to the 9 area. All right, getting a nice little pop back up here. And so the 9 area we have, and down the 9 change there. And, hopefully you're able to maybe jump in there at around 10, 9.5 area, 9-ish. Depending on your risk tolerance, if you're waiting for 9, it's still doable. We're still on the same bar. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out of this. If you jump in there, and obviously we're not going to be perfect. We always talk about scaling in, so. But, maybe scale in there right around. Well, again, everybody's different, so coming back down here to the 9 area again. Again, we're in the same bar, so if you didn't get filled there at the 9, maybe looking for. We're still looking for the 9, of course. Still again, and went down to 9.5 again. All right, so we had a nice little rotation there against our first support area. To wait just a little bit for it. But again, patience is important, and obviously waiting for the market to give us that opportunity instead of just starting to trade when the market opened up. Always important. All right. Again, if anybody has any questions as far as what we try to do here, what we're trading, how we manage trades, how we get into them, get out of them, let us know. We'll gladly answer any questions that you might have. We'll be scaling around an area. All right. Our close now, so obviously if you didn't get to fill out the 9, it's a little bit more tenuous. A lot riskier right now, coming back down if we go back down there, so keep that in mind if you're trading. Again, we like to have our opportunities the first time down there. It doesn't mean it's not going to work, it just means it's a lot riskier and you have to manage your risk accordingly. Trade it a little bit differently if we go back, if you're going to take the trade. And we're here to try to explain the risks so that you can manage risk according to your risk tolerance. All right, coming back down here, next support we have is down at the even area, 45 even. All right, we explained how risky it was going to be next time we came back down there to 9, so obviously kind of running through here a little bit. Kind of level did work when we got down to 9 and change. So next level we're looking at is down at the 45 even area. All right. Drifted down the dominant change there. Again, if you were going to do anything around the 9 area, you were that one down to 6 and change. Sorry, if you're going to do anything, take the lower end of the range there. But again, that was a lot riskier. So again, explain the risk. So it's just a matter of how you manage it, how you enter your trades. If you're going to use the level on retest, all those things are part of understanding the methodology here. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. And anything that we say or do for levels or anything like that is a thought experience. We show you how to find these levels, what to look for, how to trade them, when not to trade them, how to tweak them. All these things are part of our coaching classes that we offer. We continue to downtick. We're looking at the 45 even area on the downside as our next support. All right, bouncing back up here a little bit. Again, if you were going to take it, you had to take the lower end of the entry point there and trade it smaller if you're going to do it at all. Again, like I said, it was a lot riskier, and you have to definitely manage it differently if you took it at all. But we suggested once we got down to 9.5 that our next support level would be down at the even area. We're just kind of hanging down here on these minimum lows. We do have a number coming out here, a little factory ordered number coming out here at the top of the hour in about 11 minutes or so. We'll see if that gives us any movement here. Again, you can see how if you look at the hourly there on the hourly bar, the middle bar, in the middle of the chart there, how it's kind of was hanging up here, looking for the next move. These are close to all-time highs, so market is very happy with what's going on, and considering all the interest rates, fog, economy being the way it is. We'll see what happens here with the Fed doing what they're doing. But, they're just kind of hanging here on these highs. And very, very quiet. And we talked about this, that when markets rally, the trade gets a little tougher. The VIX goes down, probably trading around 13 handle or so. And, as traders who are looking to take advantage of ebbs and flows, you would like the VIX probably in the mid-teens, high teens. That's where we would be looking. That'd be good trading opportunity there when the VIX is in the high teens. When it gets low teens like we are right now, you have to be patient and wait for the market to give us an opportunity. We continue to downtick. We're looking at the even area on the downside.
E-mini-trade-along.com, e-mini-trade-along.com.
Kind of range bound still. And again, this kind of trade does happen, so patience is important. Like I said, we have the number in about 6 minutes or so. We're just kind of hanging around this low end of this range, interim range here. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. All right, again, bond market kind of down ticking here a little bit. Bonds have been a little bit nervous. Fed might be raising rates at some point here. The way they were acting, they were doing really well. All of a sudden, they just completely kind of fell on Fed here in the last few days. Yield right now on the 10-year, it's probably higher right now, is down it's up to 4.25. They were down at 4.10 last week one day, so definitely at their move to the upside. Yields down on price, prices go down, yields go up. All right, we're down ticking here a little bit, looking at even area as our next support level. Do have a number coming out of here momentarily. It's a small number, so maybe allow that to take a moment here as much. Let's see. All right, numbers out now. Kind of chopping around here. We got even as our next support level. We'll put the levels up here in a minute. We'll repeat the levels in the chat for those of you who might have missed them. Now we got down to 3 and change there. Again, a small number, not really a big market mover. They did chop around there for a little bit, but nothing significant. We had, sorry, still have even as our next support level. Bonds here because they need a down tick. Nothing's making them happy anymore. We're just kind of hanging here on these lows. We got even, the 45 evens are next support, and you can look at the chat, you see the levels that we gave out this morning. Our 09 level worked nicely for us. We got down to 9.5 and then rotated back up. Now we're just kind of hanging here under a little bit of pressure because the market kind of keeping us subdued. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. We're definitely at the mercy of volatility here, or lack of. Yeah, we're staying here on these interim lows, looking for even next.
eminitradealong.com, eminitradealong.com. Join us in Zoom Live from 9 a.m. to 11:30 daily. We're focused on new traders and experienced traders that would like to trade better. If you're interested in trader account funding, we have an opportunity. So stop in, come into our Zoom room, drop in and say hello.
All right, we're upticking just a little bit. Again, very uneventful little trade here. Bonds kind of upticking, again, bouncing off the lows, and we're bouncing off the lows. Seems like we're trading together, but it's hard to really make a direct correlation between them, especially when they just kind of stop in the middle of between levels for us. Alright, just kind of hanging here on these lows. We got even as our next support. Patience is very important. They really pulled the plug here today quickly. But again, like I said, on Monday after unemployment, usually slow. All right, little range bound here, as you can see, not much going on. Coming down back to these lows and our lows, looking at the even areas next. See some chat there, that's the next level we have. We put out those levels at the beginning of the day, and we can use them as a guide to the day. You know, always tweak those, adjust those a little bit, all depending on any volatility or how the market trades at any given level. We talked about the when we got down to 9.5 there against R9. We told you that it'd be a little bit more tenuous now. No reason to get to 9 if you didn't have it. If you didn't get filled at 9, I should say. And then kind of ran through a little bit. So that's how we use those levels, and you have to always look at the price action to give you any indication of any adjustments that you might have to make. All right, just kind of slowly drifting around here, down to 1 and change there. All right, well, we're just kind of bouncing off the lows here a little bit. They got down to 175 there and bounced back up. And kind of bombs rallying back a little bit. Maybe that's keeping us a little bit off the lows. But it would have been nice to get the fill down there at even, but we did not. And now they're bouncing back up here a little bit. All right, market upticking here a touch. Don't I have anything setting up here? Maybe 12, 13. Very aggressive on this. Just very, very quiet. All right. Again, rotating back up here a little bit. Little resistance right here, but again, I'm not. Only if you're really bored. Not really a good place, especially how slow it is. I'm probably looking at the. I mean, I would wait for the 25 above. All right, well, they got up to our green band there, got right up to 14 and change, and then came back down here. Again, we're using our green band, blue band area, you have to probably double up with them. But it's very, very quiet morning. We did have one opportunity with our 09 area. Excuse me. All right, we got our green band right around 14-15 area, and then came off here. We were thinking 12-13. Like I said, I wasn't too really excited about any of those trades.
Hey, quick shout out, Hero. Do you have any questions about our services? Hey, Philip, you were having trouble getting in. Just let us know what was going on. Robert, how are you today? It's the opportunity to sign up for the service. In the chat area of Zoom. If you're coming in from the outside, join us eminitradealong.com. That's the URL. It'll drop you right in as a guest. eminitradealong.com. If you need a trading platform, let us know. Need additional trading education, and you'd like to have a private coaching session with your Trade Along host, ask. Everything we do is for educational purposes only. Nothing to take as direct trading or investment advice. This is what we call a e-mini coaching session on a daily basis from 9 a.m. to 11:30. We have breakout sessions, which are coaching sessions. We can teach you how to trade. We can set you up first with a trading platform, or we can help you get set up with your own trading platform. You can set it up, put up your charts, do your order entry, practice with a simulation account until you get good enough to do it in real time. You can utilize our services, which is private coaching services. This concept of an e-mini trade along on a daily basis to help you in your endeavor to persevere in trading. Just ask, pop in. You are in control and in charge of your destiny, and we can help you. Just use the chat feature to respond.
No, we come down here to the low end of the this range that we've been at. They did jump over to, they can go right up to that green band area there and then rotate it off. And now we're just kind of just hanging here. Still range bound, still the same range that we created early on.